It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 18th of January. I'm Michael Groff. How about this for a change of pace? An unsettled weather pattern coming into the southwest. We'll see an increase in clouds, winds, cooler temperatures, and off and on chances of rain and mountain snow across the state, and this should last all the way through the forecast period. So let's talk about it. First, yesterday, 77 degrees, the afternoon high, 44 was the morning low. The normal high, 67, the normal low, 46. Outside now, here at 8:40 a.m., we've got a few clouds out there this morning, sitting at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor. But yeah, the air mass is still bone dry. Dew point at 12, relative humidity 25%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. And it's still rather cool around the metro here in the 8 o'clock hour, mostly in the 30s and 40s, but temperatures should warm up nicely into the upper 60s to low 70s this afternoon. Here's the upper air look, and this is the beginning of the change in the big weather pattern here. We've got a low developing to the west, just off the Southern California coast. A follow-up short wave is north of Arizona, and that will drop southward tonight and reinforce that upper low that's deepening to the west of us, and that will bring in the unsettled weather. And we see signs of that on the watch warning map. We've got a number of winter weather advisories and some winter storm warnings scattered through the west, a lot of wind issues across California. Dense fog advisories as well over South Texas. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, generally between 3/4 of an inch and 1 inch, and upwards of 2-inch amounts of precipitation over the higher terrain. And some of that is going to come down in the form of snow. Could see several inches of snow for the high country, especially as we get to the weekend. And we'll talk about all of that now as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. The features on the board of note, we've got an amplifying ridge out over the east and northeast Pacific, an upper low off the Southern California coast, and a short wave north of Arizona that's going to drop south later this afternoon and tonight. And that will ultimately deepen that upper low off the Southern California coast. So for us down at the surface today, partly cloudy this morning, becoming mostly cloudy this afternoon. High temperatures today in the low 70s. Tonight, mostly cloudy and a small chance we could see a shower as that short wave moves over the area. But even if we see rain, it would be on the light side, and most of us probably don't see anything at all, just a 10% chance of a shower. Overnight lows should be warmer, though, with the clouds and increased moisture, generally in the mid-40s to low 50s. Now tomorrow, that upper low off the Southern California coast continues to deepen, drifts a little bit further to the west, and that keeps the main belt of moisture away from us. Still, I think the day is partly to mostly cloudy with widely scattered showers across Arizona. The better chances of any precipitation should be confined to the northern part of the state. Still, we're going to go with a 20% chance of seeing some rain here in Phoenix. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon, mid and upper 60s. On Wednesday, that low begins to shift a little bit further to the east. Still only a small chance that we'll see a shower here in Phoenix, though better chances of rain a little bit further to the west across Southern California, maybe into the southwest deserts of the state. High temperatures still likely in the upper 60s to near 70. Now on Thursday, that low tracks east, opens up into a wave and weakens a bit, but I think that should bring in better moisture here across the state. So scattered showers for us, a 40% chance of rain, high temperatures back into the mid and maybe upper 60s. On Friday, we've got another system beginning to develop and deepen off the west coast. Around here, still a southwest flow and enough moisture around for at least isolated showers. We'll go with a 20% chance of rain. High temperatures still in the mid 60s. But here we go to Saturday. This next system is lining up to come on in. A much colder system, and even though it may not have a lot of moisture with it, it's got really good dynamic support. So this should be an efficient rain producer. So we'll see rain and mountain snow developing across the state, scattered to numerous showers. High temperatures, low to mid 60s for Saturday. And then as that system comes through here on Sunday, again, scattered to numerous rain and snow showers with us. And again, it's not going to be a situation where it rains or snows all day across the state, but there will be opportunities for that, kind of a showery day or couple of days. And high temperatures on Sunday drop into the upper 50s and low 60s. And those snow levels continue to lower. All right, here we go to a week from today. This is Monday the 25th. Another cold system over the Pacific Northwest poised to drop on in here. Southwesterly flow out ahead of it. And maybe a shower or two, but I think most of the rain stays to the west of us on that day. High temperatures still only in the upper 50s and low 60s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday, the 27th. Very impressive cold system just to the west of us, and the rain is knocking on our door once again. So as you can see, an active weather pattern shaping up for much of the western states, especially here over the southwest, for the foreseeable future, and temperatures remaining well below average. All right, let's take a look at rainfall coming off of the European ensemble here in Phoenix. This runs out through the rest of the month. How about the ensemble mean? Around an inch, over an inch of rain, actually. But there is still considerable amounts of spread here. Some of the members here in this ensemble have very little rain, almost nothing. Others are up there close to 3 inches. So, we're going to have to see how this plays out over the next several days to a week or so. But definitely an unsettled active weather pattern looks to be setting up here, and cooler temperatures too. Speaking of, here we go off the national blend of models. Temperatures trending down this week and as we head into the weekend. And if that colder system does play out as advertised, might even be colder than what's shown here early and middle portions of next week. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves a wonderful Monday.